Hi, I'm Mr. Johnson. I will be teaching a new session this year called Investigative Discovery, Internet of Things. In the past, we've dealt with various topics such as building and upgrading computers, installing networks. This time instead we are going into dealing with what's called the Internet of Things. And the reason this is an important thing is in the past, the internet has basically been made up of regular computers being run by people. Now, due to micronation of computers, computers are now attaching to the network with nobody running them. And so now you can have home automation where you've got your thermostat, you've got your lights, all these different aspects of your house are connected to the internet, where you can see if you're low on milk or low on eggs or whatever it is inside your refrigerator. And so the Internet of Things is basically, for our class, we're going to be dealing with four things. The first thing we're going to be looking at is Linux, and Linux is the operating system that a lot of the microcomputers use because it has low overhead. So what we will do at that point is we're going to learn the very basics of Linux so that we can understand how this is going to operate. We are then going to configure your own. This is a full-blown computer. You're going to configure your own computer to use Linux. Then we are going to learn how to program that using Python. Python is a nice intro language. Some of you may have taken it already here at the Academy, and that's fine. If you haven't taken it, that is also all right. We're starting at square one. So if you don't have any programming experience, that's fine as well. The next step is we have to take sensors, things that sense heat, light, moisture, fire, those different types of things, and they communicate, and we have to connect them to the Raspberry Pi. And then once we've done that, we then have to use Python to communicate or to program what to do with the results that we get from the sensors that are being sent into the Raspberry Pi. So our goal is to get to the point where this little computer is going to be able to sense various things with our environment without ours having to do any kind of interaction. It will be programmed to do it automatically. So that's what our goal is in the class, and it looks to be an exciting and fast-moving 2 weeks.